Guys, it's Friday. What month is this? April? April the 4th. And I'm back at the birdhouse. Brought Jesse with me so we can go inside, and there's birds flying everywhere. Waiting on Jesse to get his pictures done so we can go that way. It's a really, really old house out here in the middle of the fields. There's like nothing around it. Straight across is a line of houses, but the person I talked to said that nobody ever comes out here. Okay. Yeah, it's in my bag in the front where my wallet is. This is pretty cool. And windy. I just want to say, this quarantine thing, it says you can go out and do activities, just not in groups of 10. So, this is of course our activity, and I don't think there's going to be more than 10 people here. What do y'all think? So, I had to come back here. I wanted to bring Jesse because I want to go inside. So that's what we're going to do in a little bit. And I'm thinking about stopping by the mausoleum and doing a spirit box session there with the new app that I have, the Necrophonic app. But you can hear the birds. They nest in here, in the house, all of the places that are torn apart. The quarantine's driving me crazy. I know it's got to be doing that to some of you guys. Finally get to go back to work tomorrow. But anyway, this is where we're at. I want to go over here and see if this is a well. It looked like at one time it was a well. Let's go around this way. Grass is tall, boots on today. Not my big thick hiking boots, steel toe boots, but my boots, so I don't know what that was. It's all filled in now. Whatever it was. Anybody know what that might be? As always, if you hear or see anything, let me know. Let me know. Oh, this is a cool place, man. Can't wait to get in there. And this is such an old, dilapidated place that I'm definitely waiting on Jesse before I go in. That's all the grass is. Isn't this fun? Getting out exploring is a fun experience. Okay, y'all saw that. That scared me. Come on, we'll go here so you can. There's got to be a nest in there. Aww. Mama bird's probably somewhere looking like, leave my babies alone. Get away. This is our house now. Place looks really creepy inside there, don't it? I like creepy. There's Christmas lights hanging up. So it's almost made me feel like, and they look like they're clear lights, so here's my thinking. Maybe somebody used this as a haunted house or something? Wow, there's birds all in the sides of this house. I hear them every direction. Hello? That floor doesn't look great. Again, we're gonna wait on Jesse. I'm gonna move some of these things around so it'll be so hard to get in here. That's what she said. Okay, I know I'm stupid, but you gotta have some kind of fun. Wow, do you hear them, guys? They're like coming from that corner right there by the door. I hear Jesse. Hopefully somebody's drove through here with something. Did y'all see that? Somebody's been out here with a four-wheeler. That's what it looks like. He's not on that side of the house. Holy shit. Sorry. Holy crap. Something just ran through the grass. Oh my god. Maybe it was a rabbit. It was a rabbit. Or it was a rabbit. Oh my gosh. That scared the daylights out of me for reals. Is he already in? I'm still gonna hurt him. Jesse? That wasn't there. I don't think. Jesse? He might have went all the way down the driveway. He said he wanted to get some pictures coming up the drive. It's so windy out here, guys. I saw this last time. Look at that. Looks like a face. Oh! Stupid, huh? Porch, no Jesse. So, that means he's down that way somewhere, walking up the drive. Mess his picture up or his video. This place is just falling apart. Just sitting here. Whew, that wind feels good. I know you're like, oh my god, there's so much wind on this video. Yeah. They must be up in the attic. Did y'all hear it? Hello? We are going in there. That room straight across. That was crazy. So I painted the window. That's part of the window. Hello? Oh, curtain flapping in the breeze. just let me know. This room back here, I haven't really been able to get a good view into it. It's so high up. Let me see. Let me see if we can get just a peek. Okay, maybe that'll work. Mr. Jesse needs to get up the road. I'm ready to go in. I hear you, Mama. The mama bird fussing. You know, if he was in there and he moved, it would trip me out. I'd be like, what the heck? This is so creepy. But that's what we like. Creepy, creepy, creepy. So a couple of weeks ago when I was out here, this wasn't as grown up as it is now. Grass is like, there he is. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's either videoing or taking pictures. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go meet him on the other side and then hopefully we'll go in. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're in. I knew that was the kitchen over there. This floor really does scare me. Yeah. I like the way the paint's. I wonder if it's lead-based paint.
Oh gosh, might be.
Yeah.
There's a very good chance it is.
Right? The old wallpaper. I wonder what that was. Looks like something that you could write on though or something.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the old wood. What?
It's awesome.
Now I'm thinking we have to think that any kind of noises we hear is birds, because this place is full of birds. This door is now shut.
It was.
I wonder why. Those old doorways with the windows up top. Oh wow.
Glass above the doors here.
Yeah. This floor right here is just falling through. The fireplace. Yeah. Holy cow. You hear the birds I was talking about?
Bathroom that collapsed too.
Be careful. You said it's the
This
bathroom?
is a collapsed bathroom. Yeah. You got a bathtub right there.
Oh, wow.
And a toilet. What's left of it was a toilet. In there.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, because there's the towel hanger right there.
Uh-huh.
And that must have been the closet for it. And you see all the piping. Wow. The old wood in this is really cool. Oh, look.
Yeah. Wood slat walls and they put the run the plaster over it.
Yeah. These were really high ceilings before they did all this shit. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's like every doorway has one of those over the window or over the door ceiling. Over the door window. Wow.
Like they shortened the ceiling. I thought that was done during construction or after the fact.
Well, I mean, look at it.
It had to be after the fact.
The wood that's up there is really old wood like they used to
Yeah.
use, you know?
That's newer wood though.
No, not these.
Oh,
The one up top. I think they just lowered the ceilings.
Yeah. My phone just died. Or my camera just died.
You got your phone?
Yeah.
You at least take some pictures with it.
Yeah, frost to it, yeah.
Yeah, that's the original ceiling, Jesse. Whew. The back side of this bathroom. Some crazy stuff in here. You can feel the floor sinking towards that bathroom.
Blue.
Yeah. Huh?
I need to find a cool shot.
I mean, those small pieces of wood, that's like old style.
Oh yeah. Plastered over. Animals.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. There's all kind of birds and stuff in here. I mean, you know you got birds in here for sure.
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. I was looking at that. Looks like something that's melted.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Huh.
I'm trying to look at animals.
I know. It's like I want to go that way, but please be careful. Because that floor drops pretty far, does it not? This is a little veranda or something? The laundry room?
Possibly. Maybe. Or just a little sunroom.
Yeah. I bet you this was a gorgeous house. You know it?
Back in the day. It's just the stuff that's blowing around. That's falling in, like the paneling and stuff.
Yeah.
It was an old blue house.
Still crazy sounding. That is crazy sounding. Oh, all of that stuff is.
Cast iron plate.
What, that?
Yeah, that's cast iron. So that's what we hear blowing around.
Yeah. Totally where the tub was.
Yeah.
This is a really cool house.
The whole ceiling down so far.
Yeah. Look, this is the front to somebody's car. When I had a truck, I used to have one of those on the front of my truck.
Oh, the cover to keep the bug guard?
Uh-huh. Yep. That is a really odd window. Look how low it is. You see that? Linoleum.
This was added on after the fact. She got it sided here.
Oh, I see that.
This is a newer addition.
There's something, a pipe coming down right there, babe. Wonder what that was for. There's a box for shells. Wonder what that paper is. Huh? I don't know if I can reach it. Oh my god, I'm gonna hurt myself. It's an invoice. A blank one. They must have sold stuff here. Or had like a store out of here.
Or business?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like after the house part was done, you know? Huh. Yay, I got to go through this house. Thank you. Okay. What? I didn't see any other smoke or anything like that. Yay! So, you gotta come with me to go to the truck. It very well could have been a rabbit, but there was something big running through the grass. Okay, so we're through here exploring. I'll upload it sometime, and hopefully I can talk Jesse into going to the mausoleum. Talk to you later.